Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell we have a very different eye look to what I normally do on today. It was half Euphoria inspired and also half inspired by this look from Chloe and Cosmetics. She put it up like yesterday. So yeah, that's what this look is inspired by. If you want to find out how I achieved said look, then just keep on watching. I should probably get like a cute one of these so that doesn't look so gross. So what we're going to do first is the base, and for once I'll actually show you. So if you don't want to know how I do my base, then just skip forward a few minutes. Yeah, I'm going to zoom you a little bit closer and we'll do the base. But first off, I'm now going to go in with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And then the Baby Skin Pore Filling Primer. As always, I'm just going to tap a little bit of my Coty Airspun powder on top of where we put that pore filling primer. So for foundation, we're going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I am in the shade Neutral Buff. Does anyone else find that the nozzle just dries up and you can't get like anything out? Right, and then for concealer, I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy in Ginger, and then the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Medium Olive. So before I actually set anything, I am also going to go over my eyelids with my NYX concealer as well. And also I'm going to do a bit of a cream contour, so I'm getting it in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And then just the excess kind of around my nose and chin. And then we'll set that with just some contour powder from this Rimmel and Kate little palette. I never normally not set my face with powder and then do this whole thing. I'm trying out the Jamie Genevieve way of doing things. And then we're gonna go in with this Beautaniq Beauty blusher in Pink Freesia. Just this little thing here. Got it from my Birchbox. It's really light blush. Like if you like a punchy blush, then this is not the one, because I don't know if you can tell, but you gotta build it. I'm going in with my standard Kiko highlighter eyeshadow situation. Right, so now we're finally gonna powder the face. Okay, base is done for now. We can come back to that later. So yeah, I'm like mixing Saviour and Veil together, which is that white and brown, like literally the tiniest little bit of brown and a lot of white. It's just, actually I think I'm just gonna go just white because I really want my eyes to just, I don't know, be really white, I guess. Okay, and I think I'm going to map out the shape of my wing with like some eyeshadow as well, because I'm really scared and I've never done anything like this before and I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so I'm back a lot sooner than I thought, because that was just a lot easier to map out on my eye than I thought. So instead of using eyeshadow, I just used the P.Louise white base to map out where I wanted all my lines to go. So I'm basically just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now, let's see if I can, you know, recreate. I feel more pressure. So I just started off by doing a bit of a line here, looking up like I would in a cut crease. But what I've just done is basically followed my natural crease, but a few millimeters above it, I want to say, so that when I look you can still kind of see the outline. And now I'm just winging it out like I would make a normal wing. That's better, I just made them higher. I'm so glad I went to use this instead because you can see it and rub it away super easily. Basically, and that's the situation so far. So let's go and get the big guns and get the colour out. Now I decided I was going to use the face paint just because it's so much easier to like use, if that makes sense. And I think I wanted to mix these two together. Did I want to do that or did I want to do these two? Hey. So I went with some pinky red concoction out of my face paints, and just to let you know, I don't know if these face paints are safe to use near your eyes, so please check before you do so. I don't want any of you to hurt yourselves because I'm just here, you know, using them in my eyes. So yeah, I accept no responsibility. And if you screw up, don't worry, we all do. I am incredibly pleased with myself. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of like tidy up the inside of the lines. I don't know if you can see it. Let me you know, get a bit close up for you. So that's the situation at the moment. I'll be right back. Let me just clean all of this up. Okay, look at the difference that made. So all I did was just mix the white P.Louise base with the Rumour base and just use this tiny little SOSU SK06 brush and just kind of carved everything and tied everything up, and then went in with the white veil eyeshadow. So just gonna do that again here. Okay, so I accidentally turned my camera off, so if you've adjusted in size then and zoomness, then that's why. So I'm just putting on the white eyeshadow. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Myth and Mercy, which are those two shimmers from the Keilidh palette. I'm going in with Myth first, and then Mercy on top, and just kind of like bringing that underneath. And then we'll do the same for the brow bone. And then also I forgot, for the lower lashes, I'm just going to run that pink liner on the bottom as well. Well, I say pink liner, I mean pink face paint. And all I'm going to do is just brush up my eyebrows and I think just put some brow gel in them, to be honest. Okay, I think we're done. Let me just sort this situation out and I'll be right back. Ta-da! Here we are. This is the finished look. Definitely something incredibly different to what I normally do. For the lips, I use the Kiko 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 22. And then I just went back in with Myth, which was that purple shimmer, and just kind of dabbed that all over. So this is the finished look. Please ignore this eye. We had a bit of a black glue malfunction, and here we are, and I really like it. I hope you guys do too. Hopefully if we get a festival season this year, you can use it for that, or if you just want to make yourselves feel better, then there you go. So yeah, this is the finished look for you. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, all of the good stuff down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I don't know, sometimes I just don't know. Gosh, look at me. I'm glowing. Beautaniq Beauty? Is that what it's called? Why does that one look better?